Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell about Google's latest release of this Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental, that model. Okay, it's really amazing model. Okay, but right now you can use it from here only, AI Studio. It's not available with Gemini, so you have to come to the here aistudio.google.com. Okay, or you can use it through Gemini API. Okay, if you are not familiar with the AI Studio, you can watch my previous video. I explained about what is Google AI Studio. Okay, here basically here we can test various models. We can create prompts. We can test the prompts. Okay, it's mostly focused on developers. Okay, but once after doing all the things, maybe if you want to create the code with the help of Gemini API key, we can get the API key, and here we can get the code, and then we can start using in our applications. Okay, that is the main agenda of Google AI Studio. Okay, but here since they recently released this Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental, we can just explore it from here. Okay, so before going in detail, I would like to tell about my offer for my AA course. Okay, so right now you can get it for free by just following this simple thing. Okay, I will provide the link of this tweet. Okay, just you can check by yourself. It's a very simple thing. Even in the previous video I explained about it. Okay, let me continue this one. Actually, this model Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental, it's having a lot of new features. Okay, image editing particularly, and sharing the screens. So we can just share the screen and we can ask anything about. And similarly, we can open our web camera and we can talk ask anything related to our camera images. Okay, so it's a really useful one. If you want to explore prompt sample prompts, you can go through prompt gallery, other things. Okay, but today in this video I'm just going to focus on this image editing, that kind of thing, because that is really trending today. A lot of people are talking about it, and they are saying that it is really powerful. We don't need a Photoshop, like that they are talking. So I'm just going to explore right now. Okay, I haven't gone through it yet. So let me download some images from Pixel. It's a royalty free images website. Okay, let me download one image and we can start asking Gemini to modify the image. Okay, so let me download this image, black dress. So let me download this image and ask Gemini to change the color of the dress. Let us try it. Okay, image, black dress image, you can upload. We need to remember that it is having token limits, so we need to be very careful in using that. It's having RPM also, per minute token limit, as well as per day also. Okay, can you change the dress color from to red? Okay, can run it. So it changed, right? Brown clouds. Now it's able to change the clouds, right? Smoothly change the colors, right? This one also change the clouds orange. And many people mentioned that it can do a lot of good thing, actual thing. It's like interior decoration. If we give our house, it will rearrange the things based on our commands. Okay, it seems people are saying that interior design companies used to charge a lot of money for that, but with the help of this Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental, we can save a lot of money, like that they are saying. But I'm not experienced in that. Maybe we can try with some house rearrange on sofa, like that we can ask, right? It seems it's just to remove this one, right? Okay, but I don't know where it put that. But anyway, if we are giving the prompts properly, maybe I can act. But it's able to do something, right? So if you are in that field, maybe you can give proper prompt. And this one also really useful. So for example, if we just show the screen.
Okay, you have opened your website in a new tab. Do you have any questions about it?
Are you seeing this screen?
Yes,
Okay.
I see your website with the recommended product section. What would you like to discuss about it?
Yeah, what is the price of this course?
The price of the course is $4.80 after a 60% discount.
Okay. Uh, how many chapters are there?
There are 15 chapters listed in the course description. Would you like to know more about them?
Whether it is targeting beginners or experts?
The course description says it's designed for beginners and professionals alike, so it
Yes.
seems to target both. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Who is creator of this course?
Okay. The creator of this course is Rajamanikam Antonimuthu. Do you have any other questions about the course or the creator?
Yeah, tell about the creator.
Okay. According to the About Me section, Rajamanikam Antonimuthu is the founder of Quality Point Technologies and has more than 25 years of experience in IT, including web development, test automation, and AI development. Is there anything else you'd like to know about him?
Yeah, it's enough. Okay, bye.
Okay. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding your website or any other topic?
So it's really a useful feature, right? These are the things I wanted to highlight, but a lot of things are there. You can go through prompt gallery to this. Right now, sharing the screen and asking any questions related to our screen. Maybe that would be useful for debugging any kind of, instead of copying, pasting, we can just that. And this thing, image editing, it's really useful one. Okay, so we can just give get birthday. We can ask it to change the name. Okay, birthday for XYZ. XYZ. So we can ask improve it some other design or some other wordings. Okay, and the key thing is image editing. Okay, so and this Steam real time, we can share the screen. Okay, so I believe it's a really useful one. Okay, and apart from that, it's usually having its usual things like tune model, other things. Okay, but this Gemini 2.0 flash experimental, it's really powerful. Just explore it and you can use it. Only thing is that token limitation. I haven't tried much, so just in the comments you can say that whether the free tokens are enough to use it on a regular basis. Okay, thanks.